Esther. If you're new here, my name is Esther, and yeah, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Yeah, so spend the day with us again today. So yeah, basically that's it. And yeah, for now, Daud is actually in the kitchen trying to make breakfast and all. Yeah, so we have some things to do today. We're actually planning on going for a picnic, and so we need some things for the picnic. We're going to like try to go get the things we need for the picnic and do some other stuffs. And you guys, Daud actually said he has one special recipe he wants to make today. Okay, yeah, he has done it before, but like the first time was his trial time, but it was really so good. I tasted it, it was so nice, and guess what it is? It was shawarma. I really enjoyed it. So today he's going to try to make again. I really can't wait to test it and see how it goes. So we're just going to like have fun today, chill out as usual, just like spend the day with us, and yeah, basically that's it. So you guys, are actually ordered a wig online. I'm going to look for it. I don't know where I threw it. I ordered for this wig. Guess who I saw as the ad for the wig? I saw NELO on it. I was like, if NELO is on this wig, I better buy it, because I actually saw the wig on her like on Instagram. If you don't know NELO is a Nigerian YouTuber, NELO OKEKE, and yeah, she's famous. Yeah, she's a Nigerian YouTuber. So I saw this wig on her on Instagram, and I was like, I needed to get this wig. The wig is so nice. And this morning as I just woke up, the wig was delivered to me. I've not even opened it. I can't wait to like unbox it with you guys and show you guys how the wig looks later in the vlog. So basically I just came to introduce the vlog, and yeah, welcome you guys to another vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today. Can you imagine? You've just been next to me since. So yeah, look at you. It is so big, it occupies so much space that sometimes I don't know where to keep it, so I just drop it somewhere. I think he bought it for me like 2 years ago. Yeah, I think 2 years ago. It's so nice. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'm going to show you guys this wig. I'm so excited to rock it. It's been like, the last time I actually got a wig was, I think, about 2 years ago as well. Yeah, it's been long. Ever since I started training my natural hair, I just like left wig alone. I was just styling my natural hair straight up, and you know how it is now when your hair is really full and all, you can do like lots and lots of styles. So I just started styling my natural hair, and then I left wig alone. Now let's go and check out what D is doing in the kitchen. I trust him. He's making something.
Isn't the bread difficult?
Look at my chef, you guys. Chef D. So bad. Oh baby, you're tall. Do you know I have to raise my legs up so that I can like,
do you want to buy someone that short?
I don't know, bro. Because I'm so tall, Jesus.
Under pressure, no more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose?
Thank you.
You're welcome to my kitchen.
Look at my food. Wow, you guys, my breakfast is ready. Cool. So guys, we're done eating breakfast now, and oh my god, it was so yummy, so yummy, babe. It was so nice. Thank you. Like, it tasted so good. Jeez, are you sure we're not going to open a restaurant like this?
No.
Eh?
No.
And then we'll put you as the head chef there. Eh?
I don't want people to come back to my kitchen and be shouting, my tummy, my tummy, stomach ache.
No, I'm serious. So you don't have stomach ache. You're good. You're good at it. The only thing is that the way you experiment with it, as you made that bread with this one today, the one you will make tomorrow now or next tomorrow is going to be something different.
It's what I see online. I try now. Just when I see something, I just like, oh, this looks cool. Okay, let me try. See, I've seen
I already told them that you are trying shawarma today. That you've done it before, but like we're going to do it again. You said you saw one fish. What happened to the fish?
I saw one fish. Like there's this fish, complete fish. But what you do is like you make it crunchy, kind of like put it inside flour and cornstarch and everything. Then chew it and with the head and everything. You open it. Yeah,
so it's small,
very
tiny
small,
fish.
tiny fish, very sweet and it's crunchy.
Okay. Another new recipe coming up. I can't wait. Hey, let me even tell you. Everybody saying that my cheeks is getting so fat. It's you. It's you.
How is it me?
It's you now.
In Japan, they call it happy fat.
It's you, baby. You're making me get fat.
Yes, that is.
See, they say my cheeks are getting so fat. Every time I take pictures and then I smile, they say, Esther, your cheeks are now very fat. You guys, I don't have a choice. I don't know what to do. It's not my fault. My foodie is giving me food to eat anyhow.
You said my foodie. I'm not your foodie.
Baby, you want me to join your clique?
Yeah, I want you to be fat.
You want me to join your clique to be fat?
Yeah, I want you to be fat.
It'll be cool. Leave me alone, no. Anyhow, so you guys want to go out now to what's that thing called? To peel our rice.
To meal rice.
Is it meal?
Yeah.
Okay, to meal the rice. Okay, so there are different types of rice in Japan. There are no different type of rice in Japan. There is one type of rice in Japan, but for us in our house we have different types of rice. We have the one we use in cooking jollof rice, fried rice, which is the normal Thai rice, those tiny kind of rice. It's really good for that. But for Japanese rice, we can't use that rice because it's more like, the rice looks more like ofada. Yeah, if you're Nigerian, you know, like ofada rice, how big it is, and once you start boiling, like, it gets so soft easily. So we don't use that rice for that, but we use the Japanese rice. We use that one in making, like, when we do stew, we just use it to eat rice and stew. So we usually get from the farmer, and when you get it from the farmer, it's like, how is it done? Halfly.
Yeah, when you get directly from them, it's like the paddy is still on it, so it still has like the covers and everything.
So we have
you
to mill it, go to a rice milling place, and then take out that part, and then you have the final rice for you to cook. It's usually really cheap here, especially when you live in the countryside and you know farmers to just buy directly from, instead of going to the supermarket to buy the already milled one, well packed inside the rice bag, everything really cool. This one we just get it straight from the farmer after harvesting. Yeah. So it's really cheap and good.
Quantity and everything.
Yeah, and we don't even eat it. It usually lasts us from one harvesting period,
like for a year. It actually goes for a year. Like, that's really cool.
Yeah, because they have a time where they like harvest the rice, and that's the time we buy from the farmers. So from that time they harvest, it's like a year to the next year again before they harvest. Hope I don't forget. I need to show you guys that painting update. Okay, guys, see you guys later. So you guys, Japanese rice is way different from like the rice that we know, like the rice we grew up eating. So if you use it, you can't just cook it straight up like on the pot and just continue like that. We'll have to use like rice cooker to cook it because it gets so soft easily. So guys, we're about to start the process. Have you gotten how to know about it?
This is white, this is standard.
Yeah, so it's not so much. guys, so this is the finished one. Let me see the difference. This is what it looks like when we are done. So yeah, this is how you buy it from the supermarket if you're not buying from.
2 hours later.
Oh, so guys, well, I'm actually ready. Yeah, I'm actually ready for us to go for the picnic shopping. Like I said, I'm done getting ready. My hair is getting rough a little. Oh my god, but jeez, I love this braid so much. Like, I've rocked it. It's so nice. It's just the front anyway that's getting rough a little. And she actually told me, like, once it's getting rough, I can loosen it and then try to make the front again. But I'm just very lazy to do that. So I'm just going to, like, keep packing it this way. So I'll use this one to kind of cover the front and let it go for like 2 more weeks again before I take it out. So yeah, we're going for the picnic shopping now, and basically that's it. I'll update you guys when we get back. Hopefully I can actually film a little there when we're getting the stuff. So picnic, and it's actually cherry blossom period in Japan, and like usually when it's cherry blossom, we usually just go under the cherry blossom tree and then have picnic and eat and chill, relax and talk with friends. So that's actually what we want to do. So that's why we're going for picnic. I'm just admiring my hair still, even if it is old. So basically that's it, guys. This is receiving a phone call and his voice is actually disturbing me, so I had to come here to make this intro. Hey. I don't know why I like to feel myself. I used to dance without music. I feel like it's weird. Who else does that? You just dance on your own. Even when there's no music, I just dancing. Like the songs I've heard before, just keep playing in my head, and then I just dance and I'm feeling myself. I don't know why I do that. When I'm feeling myself, I just dance. Okay, let me leave you guys now. I'll talk to you guys when I get back. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know why I'm surprised. So guys, we are back now and I'm ready to show you guys the wig and show you guys what it looks like. Oh my god. So this is the wig. Yeah, this is it. I hope you guys can see it though. This is the wig, and I'm just going to take it out and see what it looks like. I'm excited. I love what it came in. Is nice. So imagine it came with lashes. This looks nice. So, oh, it also came with wig cap. Can you see? They gave me wig cap as well. They tried though, added a lot of presents in it, and came with headband. So let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, look at it. Came with headband because it's an headband wig, so it probably just added this one so you can add up to it. This is not bad. This looks nice. I can even use it normal. How does it look? I know this is not the right way I'm supposed to use it with this kind of hair, but it doesn't look so bad though. Yeah, so to the real deal, to the real deal, to the real deal. Oh my god, this looks good anyway. Like, you guys take a look at it. It's nice. I love the texture of the hair. See, look at it. I know I'm going to have to comb it out, you know, to like bring out these coils, because I want it looking full. But this is it. This is nice. This is 14 inches I got. Yeah, I think it's 16. The length is 16 inches. 16 inches. So look at it. Look at it. So you guys, I'm so excited to wear this wig. Now I'm just waiting for D to finish playing games. She's gonna do the shawarma, because as I'm very hungry, and I'm just waiting for that shawarma, because if I eat anything now before he makes it, I won't be able to eat it again. And my mouth is really watery waiting for that. So yeah, updates. That's the wig. That's the wig. That's the wig. So guys, this is where we've gotten to in our painting. I think we're making progress, although it's very slow. But yeah, this is where we've gotten to in our painting. I started to show you guys the updates because a lot of you said you wanted to know, and I promised I was going to show you guys. So yeah, this is where we've gotten to, and if we finally finish it like totally, I'll definitely show you guys again. But for now, this is where we are in the painting.
I got you, my baby. I got you, my baby. I got you, baby. When you see my lover, I no go ever leave her. I promise you, my lover. I no go be Oliver Twister.
My baby's in the kitchen. I've been waiting for you to stand up and come and come and start doing it. Well done, Peppy.
That's why you start.
Yeah, that's why I started. I did I do all this now? Maybe I have to do the sausage. See, I did this one for you, and I did part of the meat for you. Give me this part of the carrot. Give me this part of the carrot. Use this one that you know how to use better.
Are you sure it's not easy?
Give me now.
Oh, no, okay.
And if I don't start it, it might take time before you stand up and come and do. So I had to like start it up.
It's good, thanks.
Yeah, you too, thanks. Carrots. Thank you. I'm going to my baby make shawarma. Maybe that's enough now.
It's not enough.
Oh, yeah, but I'm like, use new one now. Before you use all your muscles to be pressing it out.
Dance with me under the diamonds. See me like breath in the cold. Sleep with me here in the silence. Come kiss me silver and gold. You say that I won't lose it, but you can't predict the future. So just hold on like you won't ever let go. Yeah, Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone.
Our shawarma is ready. Like, this thing is super packed. So big. Like, so big. Super packed. Jeez. Wow, okay fam, so that's the end of today's vlog. I'm just very hungry. I just want to dive into eating, and oh my god. Yeah, so that's the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Did just rushed out to go and get drink because we don't have any drink in the house, and used to go really well with juice or something, so he just went out to get one. And yeah, I'm ending the vlog here, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed spending some time with us, and I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching our video, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.